Cyndi here with Gromes Sewing Machine Company in San Antonio, Texas, and now Universal City, Texas. So today is our quick fix video. And the last time we met, we talked about how to install the shuttle hook inside the old machines or some of the entry-level machines, and it looked like a half moon shape. But what we didn't talk about was the other kind of bobbin cases, the ones that drop in on the top of your machine. So today's quick fix is going to be how to take that out, how to clean it, and how to put it back in correctly. So follow me to the sewing machine and let me show you how to do that really quick. Okay, so here we are at the machine, and I've already taken the liberty of removing the needle plate. Now, I know a lot of machines come with these really long screwdrivers, and you can't get them underneath there to remove the screws. So no worries, here at Gromes we do sell this little screwdriver. You can pick one up, and it's the perfect size to get right underneath this area. So here we are looking at our bobbin case, right? And we get a lot of people that come into the store and they don't know how to take these out and they don't know how to put them back in. So it's real simple. You just kind of pull it straight out. Now the area that you want to look at when you're cleaning this area is right in here. This is our hook system. So you want to get your little lint brush and you want to clean this whole area out. And then if you look down in the middle on some machines, you're going to see like a little piece of lint sticking out. Don't pull it out, ladies and gentlemen. That is an oil wick. So what you do after you've cleaned your machine out, you just take your little can of oil and you come in here and you put just a little drop of oil right inside there. Now, you see this little lip that goes all around your hook system right here? I like to take a little bit on a Q-tip and then I run my Q-tip just around that whole little ledge. That just kind of helps keep your machine a little quiet. Okay, so here's the part that people get wrong, putting this bobbin case back in. One of the things that you want to look at on your bobbin case is this little lip right here that sticks out. So the next thing you want to look at is this little housing area right here. Almost all machines have some sort of a clearance where your thread passes through. So what you're going to do is the fork of your bobbin case always goes towards the back, okay? This ridge down here in the bottom of the bobbin case, hopefully you can see that, is going to sit on this lip that you just oiled. So I'm going to take my bobbin case, I'm going to slide it in, and I'm going to make sure that this little lip, this little thing right here that's sticking out, is going to fall to the left of this bracket. So hopefully my hand's not too much in the way. I gotta come this way, maybe. There we go. Now you see how it just rests nicely on that little lip, and this little thing that's poking out is resting up against that. And that's all there is to putting in this bobbin case. Let me point one more thing out. When you take your needle plate off to clean out your bobbin case area, do not overlook your feed dogs. Just yesterday, someone came in and their machine wasn't feeding, and it was because they had so much lint embedded into those feed dogs that the feed dogs couldn't do the moving motion. Okay, so make sure you clean that off. Stay away from things that you don't know what they are. Don't start turning screws. Everything has a purpose. Leave that for us. But at least this part you can now do at home. I hope this has helped you. Okay, everybody. Well, I hope that this video in your drop-in bobbin case has helped you somehow. Please make sure to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to us on the YouTube channel, and make sure to click that little notification button so when there's a next quick fix video, you will get that notification before anybody else. Now, we will bring another quick fix video to you in the next week or so. We appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.